for greater vision, able administration, excellent education, employment generation, controlling inflation, surplus power generation, industrial revolution, poverty eradication, efficient transformation. Today, neighboring states also following Tamil Nadu because of vibration. Our political opponents are in terrific confusion, and people have Amma appreciation and gave confidence and confirmation for Amma's success in 2016 election. This is not a prediction, it will certainly come to realization.
And we really appreciate you coming all the way to Hyderabad, because Hyderabad is definitely one of the best cities in India in terms of cost of living, in terms of quality of living, in terms of the infrastructure, in terms of the human resources, in terms of the proactive policies, in terms of doing business, ease of doing business as well. We are a new state. We like to call ourselves a startup state because we've only been around for 2 years, and we operate with the bent of mind of a startup. We actually think like a startup. We are very agile as a government. We are unlike any government in India today. We're unlike any government in the world today probably, because we think like business, we think like private sector, and we operate like one too. In fact, our Honorable Chief Minister, as I was mentioning to you about 15 odd minutes ago, has traveled the world to study the various policies. He believes in imbibing the best practices from across the world. So when it came to formulating the industrial policy of Telangana, or the IT policy of Telangana, or the innovation policy of the state, he actually took it upon himself. He studied the various policies, the best practices across the world, and we've imbibed it in our policy. Like I was sharing with you, there are 3 things I'd like to highlight for you, Tim. One, as part of our industrial policy, unlike any other state in the country, we actually allow for what is called the self-certification. Any enterprise coming into Telangana doesn't have to seek a clearance from the government, because we know that's a challenge. You don't have to run around offices, you don't have to meet anybody. All you have to do is come, hit the ground running, start your enterprise. As long as you believe that you will comply with the law of the land, you can come in and start your enterprise. And we take about 15 days maximum. And we have to come back with you by statute, like I said, with a yes or a no. And what happens on the 16th day if we don't give you an answer? On the 16th day, it's a deemed approval. That's the policy that we have formulated. This is the first of its kind in our country, probably the best, one of the best in the world as well. Secondly, Tim, I'd also like to add to you, as a government, we believe in accountability and transparency. In terms of accountability, we actually stick our neck out, because a lot of times governments promise things, but what can you do when they don't deliver? Not much. But in Telangana, you can. In fact, in Telangana, if we don't deliver as we promise, we are actually liable for penal action. That's something, again, unique for a government to say and actually put it on us as a partner. In fact, as a state, we would like to also put it on record and request you, look at us and treat us as a partner in your growth story, because we would like to grow with Apple. We'd like to grow together with you. There are a lot of synergies to be explored. There are a lot of possibilities which also can be tapped. T-Hub is one of the things which we are extremely proud of. In fact, it's the country's largest technology incubator. It's hardly a kilometer away from here. And we've created a technology platform which enables Indian youngsters to dabble in innovation, to cherish innovation, and to come out with world-class products which will support giants like Apple and others also. So we believe that the next wave of growth definitely is innovation. And we know your passion for innovation. We know your passion for secrecy as well. But, we'd like to invite you to T-Hub as well. We'd also like to invite Apple to partner in our growth story, in our innovation effort as well. Once again, welcome Tim to India and welcome Tim to Hyderabad. And congratulations on the new facility. And we hope that you'll come back more and more. Thank you so much.